Every company has its unique workflow. That means the details your team needs to collect may be completely different from another organization. Your help desk is unique, and so are the details you need to capture in your tickets. The good news is that customizing ticket form in SharePoint HelpDesk is easy. You can adjust it to fit your exact needs. Hi, I'm Borko from Plumsail. Today's topic, customizing ticket form in SharePoint HelpDesk. All right, let me show you how it's done. By default, Plumsail HelpDesk ticket form includes fields like title, description, status, CC, assigned to, priority, due date, category, and tags. That covers a lot, but your support team might need something different. For example, a follow-up date field to automate reminders or tasks, or a customer account number field, or maybe an order number field. Let's make it happen. First, let's start with the ticket list. That's where all the ticket data is stored. Go to your ticket list in SharePoint, click Add Column, choose your field type, and for example, select date for the follow-up field. That's the field we're going to add now. Name it, select friendly format, and click Save. We will repeat the process for the customer account number. This time, select number as the field type and give it a clear name. Select 0 decimal places as its account number and no thousand separator. Hit Save. Now we have the columns ready to store the data. Let's bring those columns into the ticket form. To do this, we will use Plumsail SharePoint Forms Designer app. It only takes a few moments to download and install it. I will leave links in the description section along with a detailed article on this topic. Just to mention, Plumsail Forms for SharePoint is a separate product you can use to design beautiful, flexible forms across SharePoint, not just in HelpDesk. It does require a separate license, but it's already included in certain HelpDesk plans. Once installed, open the designer and it will ask for the SharePoint site where your HelpDesk instance is running. Just copy and paste the site URL and log in with administrator privileges account. From there, choose the tickets list from the dropdown and connect. And on the left-hand side, you will see all fields from the list as well as the default form. Here's a quick tip. In the top right corner, make sure the edit form is selected. New and display forms can also be modified, but today we will focus on the edit form only. Remember those columns we added earlier? They are now available in here too. Just drag and drop them into the form and no coding required. And I will adjust the layout a bit and choose the position of the field title to be above. Again, make sure edit form is selected and hit save. Let's go back to our help desk and open a random ticket. Fields are instantly added. That's not all. You can rearrange fields by dragging and dropping them, remove fields completely, choose how the form opens as a panel, dialog, or full screen, adjust the size, small, medium, or large. Even you can customize colors for the background, for grid, borders, and much more. When you're done, click Save and make sure only the edit form is checked. And that's it. Your changes are instantly applied once you refresh the page in your SharePoint. A super easy way to modify and customize ticket forms in your SharePoint HelpDesk. Want to test it yourself? Register for a free 30-day trial of Plumsail HelpDesk. No credit card required. And all features are available during this trial. The link is in the description. And also don't forget to like and subscribe. We have plenty more tips and tutorials coming your way.